So I wanted to build a new VR game. I felt inspired, so I was searching in the internet for a good, simple, and definitely not ambitious idea. I even asked the very helpful ChatGPT to see if we could come up with something, but everything was just not convincing enough. Until I came across this video from a wolf in VR, and it wasn't the video that gave me the idea, but the top comment and the comments to that comment. The idea is basically Tom and Jerry in VR, a cat trying to catch a mouse, and I already had some ideas, so I was determined and started the process. I created a list in Notion to outline my ideas and start development without overthinking the process. I decided to begin with building the house. Not very dexterous modeling in 3D or designing a house, so keep that in mind. So I started creating a mood board of how I wanted the house to look. I was extremely into a particular art style from a scene from Across the Spider-Verse. I wanted a comic book-like style, so I went to Blender and started modeling the house, and it wasn't until 3 hours later that I realized that it was trash. So out of desperation, I went back to the internet, and thanks to this Redditor, I found this really simple and amazing tool that allows you to design houses and generates the 3D model in real time. So after giving it a few tries, and actually after a few hours, I managed to finally do it. So I brought it into Unity and started adding the furniture and trying to give the art style I was looking for. I still haven't managed to get there with the style, but let me show you the current state of the house. I really wanted to include a functional piano because for me, the classical music and piano pieces featured in Tom and Jerry add an element of sophistication and elegance, and that plays a huge role in the TV show. Maybe that's not right, but I really wanted to have a piano in this game, so I discovered this Git repository with all the 88 keys of a regular piano. I imported it into Unity and began adding colliders to the keys and everything. So long story short, I added a bunch of other little things, and this is where I finally dropped the project. So this is the final result. I mean, it's not a complete game by any means. I named it Jazz and Luca just to give it two catchy names like Tom and Jerry. So I added a lot of dots to all the materials to give the kind of feel I was looking for with the comic book style. It does still need a lot of tweaking, but yeah, you can pick up pretty much everything in the house. You can break the vases, which is really satisfying. This is the radio from where the music is coming from. This is the bathroom. I'm gonna place the radio right here. Okay, so if you break the radio, the music stops playing. Now I can show you the piano. Yeah, let's go to the kitchen. I added a broom, a huge piece of cheese, and also a pan that you can open the fridge and place it. So now let's go into the garage. I added dynamite, which you can activate by using the fire from the fireplace, and after 5 seconds they explode. There is also a bird cell to try and catch the mouse. The mouse is somewhere around the house. It is using a simple AI to move around the house. So you can try to catch and play around, try to explode it, which is not possible actually. It's not scripted, I mean. But you can, I don't know, put the cell over it. So yeah, as you can see, the cell can't actually hold the mouse. That's still not scripted, but you can follow it and try to catch it. So this was all for today's video. Consider subscribing if you like programming stuff. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other ideas for a game I should make, feel free to leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.